Oh, that is disgusting.
Ooh, I'm getting a little gassy. There's a theme here.
Oh.
And it's bathrooms.
And we back. Asia and Annette. Shots and swatches. No alcohol though.
Hey everybody, it's Nanette and Asia, and we are back for another episode of Shots and Swatches, but this time we're trying something new. Tell them, Asia.
We're doing some healthy juices, you know. Your girl is trying to get snatched for the summer, and I gotta get snatched and be glowy. So we're gonna be showing you some of our newest highlighter shades. We don't do alcohol, we do health.
I like that.
Do.
We do health.
I think I'm gonna go into this one with apple, red cabbage, lemon, ginger, and probiotic. How the hell, what is a probiotic ingredient?
It's supposed to, I don't know if they create it or they probably don't pull it from people's stories.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy peasy. That's a great way to start. You guys haven't seen some of these highlighters, so we gotta go and take it all the way back to
Bring it
last September.
Yes, our anniversary.
When we launched
Anniversary.
the lovely Diamond Bomb. Beautiful highlighter, girl. It's, I mean, people love it on their bodies, but you can also use it on your face.
You sure can.
And I've used it on my face. Look at that. Look at that.
It is so pretty. It's like you just kind of want to like press your finger into it sometimes. It feels so nice. Ooh.
You can just layer it up. You can make it, you can choose to make it however sparkly you want.
Oh my.
But look at that. Look at her.
It's so lightweight,
Yes.
but packs quite a punch.
I like it.
It's like that juice.
It packs a punch.
It's small but mighty. This one sounds pretty safe. It's coconut water, turmeric, lemon, and black pepper. So it's kind of like a little curry juice.
This reminds me of mucus.
Oh, can't wait to have this now. Oh, that's a flavor.
It's the aftermath is tart.
I'm like tearing a little. This tart has got me, giving me the chills.
Whoop.
This beautiful baby blue highlighter. It's like this beautiful, iridescent, subtle baby blue color. It looks great on like the inner corners as a highlight, maybe on top of a eyeshadow.
Oh, I'm like on top of a what?
I was like,
Oh, girl, middle fingers up.
middle fingers up.
Tell them, boy.
Ooh,
Bye.
yeah.
That looks beautiful.
It looks so pretty.
It's gorgeous.
It's good any time of the year for holiday season,
True.
cupping season. It's great all year round.
Or you want to be an icy mama.
She's so icy.
Ice me out. Next shot.
Ooh.
And this is ginger, lemon, and cayenne, which is like
Ooh.
simple. I've had something like this before. And
It's because it's summer and we are trying to get our beach body on.
snatched. I don't know if I got enough time, but I'm going to get there. Woo! Oh my God. That smell is crazy.
Oh boy.
Hold on, I'm not ready. I wasn't ready.
Tricked me.
I
and
was
that
not ready.
burns.
Oh man. I wasn't ready. Cheers. Oh.
We're just gonna have to power through it. It's spicy and not the kind of spice that I like.
I need some water. That was disgusting. That was disgusting.
It was a kick.
So next up, we have a little baby pink girl. Her name is WATTABRAT. She's bratty AF.
How fitting.
I don't even need to do that much because it's so pigmented. Like one little swoop.
Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah.
And I'm just going to go ahead and... Oh my gosh, that is... Now this is my color. It's like... Ree always looks good in pink, so
She does.
I like love
child.
thinking that I also look good in pink.
You do. Look at you right now.
Thanks. Next shot.
I'm scared now.
Okay.
Okay. How about the elderberry shot, which has honey, elderberry, lemon, cinnamon, and cloves? Feels kind of like Christmassy to me.
Yeah, it looks like witch blood. Drinking the blood of my elders.
Oh,
Because I
we
respect
just went
them.
there. Okay. Cheers.
We just went there. I like that. Actually,
Wow.
it tastes like that church wine. I just drink, well, I don't want to say that, but I did just drink my communion juice.
Let's move on to afternoon
Oh.
snack mo. We're gonna move on to afternoon snack mo honey, another duo. This is one of, I would say, another crowd favorite. We just launched this recently and everyone's been loving it.
Yeah.
Because it's such an amazing color combo. It's like champagne.
Yeah.
There's the everyday finish, then the supercharged finish. Ooh, yeah. I'm excited to just swatch this even though I know what it looks like.
Yeah.
It's just so pretty. It's like a beautiful coppery color. You know that copper's so in right now.
So definitely like is looking bronzier on you, giving me more champagne. Like this is like, it looks more subtle on my arm for sure.
Yeah.
This is a highlighter that like I would do on the daily.
This is like a gray highlighter that I would actually more wear as a shadow than as like a cheek, you know?
Yeah.
But it's like a great like shimmery, almost like a bronzer for me.
Nice. Next. So this is a charcoal shot. Maple, lemon, ginger, activated charcoal, and milk thistle. This is dance.
Let's drink
the
it.
Thistle dance. This dance. Looking like.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's bland. Bland. Next, we have a new KILLAWATT foil. This one's called Penny for You Thots. This is like a nice little burnt copper shit. Yes, honey. Honey.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
That is beautiful. This is a bomb color. Like
Yes.
I can rock this as a shadow, which I think a lot of people have been doing recently. Like they are loving this shade.
Next is a green shot. It's got cucumber, celery, spinach, lemon, ginger, and cayenne.
I imagine Shrek made this.
Cheers.
Ew.
It tastes
Ew.
like celery.
It tastes like
All I
grass.
can taste is celery.
Ugh. One little thing we haven't talked about is our Fairy Bomb shimmer powders.
Yes.
And these are exclusive to all of our retailers, online only.
Will not find it in store.
But these highlighters are so poppin'. Great for the body. But let me tell you, they give you a nice little shimmer on the face too,
Yes.
honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with 24 KRAY. And they come in these cute little like jars that are so, of course, like similar to our setting powder packaging, but little mini versions. The way I like to use these is,
Tell us,
I mean, it gets a lot, so we got to be real careful. I sometimes just dab some excess into the lid like that.
Oh yeah.
Because it's a lot. It's a lot. 24 karat magic. Ooh. Yes, honey.
Yeah. That's amazing.
That is bomb. Bomb.com.
Yes.
Notice I said they're bomb.com because they're only on .com. So this has apple, lemon, ginger, and beet.
More ginger, more beet.
What does beet do? Make you
Drop the beat.
Yeah, out your ass. Yeah.
All I can think about is beets. Speaking of beets, we're gonna go for the pinkish one, Rosé on Ice. And this might look familiar because this was the shade that was in our Fairy Bomb Pom Pom.
Yes.
Beautiful rosé pinky color.
We was puff
So
puff
excited.
passing on our titties on our asses.
Yeah.
Throwback. If y'all really been day ones, y'all will know that. Y'all will know that reference.
You were our ride and dies. Ooh.
I
Oh my
didn't-
god. Beautiful. It's like rose gold for sure. Rosé on ice. It's like got some beautiful pink flecks in it.
Honestly, Rosé on Ice is like my go-to daily highlighter, and I just pop it on my like right here and above my brow bones. All right, last shot.
Last shot. It has no beet in it. Apple, ginger, lemon, and cayenne.
It's kind of sweet, but the after is like whoa. So now our last Fairy Bomb shimmer powder, COPPA Chill.
Coppa chill.
I need to chill.
Not at all.
Mixed for better content
Sure does.
when I have no chill. So again, I mean, you get so much with so
Yeah.
little. Like I'm still going through my Rosé on Ice, and it looks like I never opened it.
Ooh,
Look at that.
my.
See?
It's a beautiful bronze.
Yeah.
Just super rich, super pigmented.
Yeah,
I don't
she's
think you beat it, you know?
yeah, and this is great for like a little summer body glow. The deep skin girls, this is you too for your body.
It's for
It's for everybody, but like it'd be popping on the deep skin girls. I seen it in person.
Cool. Should we dive into some looks? I'm gonna start off with COPPA Chill all over the base and then layer Penny for You Thoughts on top of it.
Oh, nice.
Kind of freestyling as well, but I think it'll be really cool to see how Penny for You Thoughts looks on both of our eyes.
Yep, I'm gonna try Rosé on Ice on my lid. Oh, honey, that is beautiful. I kind of want to be like Nanette and try Penny for You Thoughts. I think that's how I'm gonna smoke it out. You know what I like about Penny for You Thoughts too? It has like really like some parts you can catch a big sparkle or two, and it looks so cool.
Looking
I can't
good.
see. Oh yeah, you did get yourself a little sunrise, sunset action going.
I think I want to put a little bit of like 24 KRAY right on the inner corner of my eye too.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take afternoon snack more honey. I'm gonna mix the two, and I'm gonna hit just the bridge of my nose first.
Ooh, I can
It's
really
blinging.
see that.
Blinging, girl. Looks good.
Looking expensive.
Yeah. I thought I could go for another shot, and it looks like blood again. You know, like a bag of blood. You ever donated blood?
Yeah.
I have too. I passed out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cheers.
The aftertaste. Lord Jesus. So we hope you enjoyed this video of all of our highlighter shades that you hadn't seen on us thus far. I love that they are so versatile. You can use them on your eyes, your face, your body. And without further ado, make sure you like, subscribe, follow us at Fenty Beauty.
See y'all later.
See you later.
See y'all later.